Flan. My dear Celeste, I'm running out of time, but I didn't want to leave you with a memory that is salty or sour, but with a sweet one. In life, you will get to eat many different foods, some that taste good and others not so much. Some will be so spicy that they will make you cry, and others so exquisite that you will remember their taste forever. That is how my life has been. Sweet, bitter, sometimes perfectly seasoned, and at times too salty or completely bland. But when I think of you and your mother, the memories that come to mind are always sweet. This is how I want to say goodbye to you, so that when you think of me, you have a memory of something sweet. Here I'm sending you the recipe for the flan you love so much. Be careful when you make the caramel. When the sugar begins to melt, you have to work quickly and attentively, because if you don't, the caramel will burn or you may end up burning yourself. And don't rush it. Everything good takes time. When the flan is ready, refrigerate it overnight. The next day, before sitting down to eat it, cover the table with a nice tablecloth and put a flower in a vase. Take out a cloth napkin and use a nice plate, and then sit down and eat it slowly. When you take that first bite up to your mouth, drenched in caramel, close your eyes and smell the sweet aroma. In that instant, I'll be right by your side. Don't be sad, my dear cielo. Remember me with love and flavor. Your grandma that loves you, Rosa. My hands shake as I read the final words. I know that I'm holding my grandma's last letter. I think about how all I have left of her are just a handful of recipes. I think about how I'll never know how she's been sending me these letters after she'd gone. I think that no matter how many times I cook them, my dishes will never taste like hers. And all of a sudden, I hear her voice murmuring into my ear. Remember me with love and flavor. That's why she sent me these recipes. The coffee, the cangrejitos, the congri, the ropa vieja. The recipes were like spells, so that every time I make the food, Grandma could once again be with me. As soon as Mommy gets home from work, I show her the letter. She gets really sad, and I let her cry. But later, I have a great idea, something that Grandma would have loved. Mommy, Grandma asks us to remember her with flavor, right? She nods, but doesn't say anything. I get it, I tell her, jumping up and down with excitement. Think about all the recipes that Grandma sent. What do they have in common? They were the ones you liked best, she says. And what else? I don't know. They're all from Cuba? Yeah, but not just that, I tell her. If you put them together, we have a dinner. Look, appetizer, cangrejitos. Main course, ropa vieja. Side dishes, congri and mariquitas. Dessert, flan. Don't you see? Grandma wanted us to have a dinner, to remember her. Mommy's tears immediately disappear, and I can see that Grandma's magic is working. That's a fantastic idea, she tells me. Let's do it this weekend. We'll set up an elegant table with a fine tablecloth, flowers, candles, just like she used to like it. I say, with music in the background. Invite your friends, Cielo. And Lisa and Doña Esperanza, I say. I want it to be a real celebration.